The OnePlus 13 is said to launch earlier than usual. For years, OnePlus flagships went on sale early in the year, around the same time as the Samsung Galaxy S series. While the OnePlus 12 followed a similar timeline, it was announced in December 2023 in China before its global debut in the following month. Now, it seems like OnePlus is aiming to launch its second flagship phone in the year. The launch timeline lines up with Qualcomm's new processor announcement, which is set to take place at the Snapdragon Summit in October. We could get our first look at the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC with Orion CPU 2 months from now, and OnePlus will likely be part of one of the first companies to introduce its flagship phone powered by the new Qualcomm chipset. During the same time last year, OnePlus launched its first foldable phone. However, rumors have pointed towards a cancelled Oppo foldable, and as a result, no OnePlus Open successor this year. There seems to be a void to fill here, so the new OnePlus 13 rumored launch date checks out. The phone manufacturer doesn't have a prominent phone launch lined up in Q4 of 2024, which could result in the earlier than usual OnePlus 13 launch. OnePlus did a fantastic job with the OnePlus 12. After all, it remains one of the best value for money phones to buy right now. However, there's still room for improvement. If rumors are to be believed, the OnePlus 13 could feature a few reasonable upgrades over its predecessor. The upcoming OnePlus phone is expected to pack a 6,000 mAh battery, up from 5,400 mAh on the OnePlus 12, with 100-watt fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging capabilities. It is likely to sport the same 50-megapixel primary camera with the Litia LYT-808 sensor with an f1.6 aperture, alongside a telephoto and an upgraded ultra-wide-angle lens. It could have a 6.8-inch 2K8 TLTPO screen with support.